Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. No breakthrough in Karnataka crisis till Friday evening. Parrikar still in talks with rebels. Kumaraswamy says wait and watch for the next 48 hours. Dupatta killer Mahanand Naik sentenced to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment, fine of 25,000 in Shirora rape case. Supporters of Verde claim that he has been framed. CBI officials refuse to comment. Court issues warrant to victim and victim's mother in German rape case. Asks them to remain present on 29th October. And squash set to weave its magic in Goa. Coach Rehman Syed feels squash can become popular in the state. And now the news in detail. Karnataka political turbulence is far from getting over. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar held intensive deliberations with the dissident MLAs throughout the day. But the end of Friday did not see any outcome from the crisis. BJP is still confident, whereas Kumaraswamy has said, wait and watch, next 2 days are crucial. The corridors of Taj Exotica were heated up with the high-voltage drama by the BJP activists on Thursday evening. BJP activists created a big uproar. Although surroundings of Taj Exotica were cool and calm on Friday evening, the real political drama was unfolding inside the hotel. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar was having rigorous deliberation sessions with the unsatisfied 14 MLAs inside the Taj Exotica. No concrete information was given to the media about the latest developments till late evening on Friday.
काल जो तुमकां सांगलेलें की कितें तरी पॉझिटिव्ह आसा तशें खंय तरी फिलींग आसा पॉझिटिव्हचें पण अजून पर्यंत फायनॅलिटी खंयच्याच विशयाक येवंक ना पण थिंग्स आर मुवींग पॉझिटिव्हली लेट देम डिसायड they are independent mature people. If they decide maybe another evening or by tomorrow morning, there is enough time. Today is only Friday, so possibly evening I will be able to should be in position to give you some positive news. मुझे एक भरोसा इतना है कि जो लोग यहाँ है वो लोग उसके बारे में पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हैं.
After the Thursday ruckus, the word was out on Friday morning that Janardhan Reddy would be addressing the media at 8 a.m. Later, media was informed that they would be updated at 9 a.m. Manohar Parrikar went in the hotel to meet the dissidents at 9:30. Parrikar addressed the media. He showed indications of an amicable solution by Friday evening or Saturday afternoon. Former Minister of the Congress Party and father-in-law of Karwar MLA Anant Asnotikar spoke to media on Friday evening. Bandekar said that the dissident had asked them for security in Goa and there was no attempt of captivating the 14 BJP MLAs by the Congress Party.
मी ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टराक आनीक पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाक तेमी अप्लाय केले आमी अशें आमगेले कितें क्रायसीस आहा तेका लागून हांगा गोंया येता म्हणून आमकां पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दिवचें म्हणून तातूंत मध्ये आनंद अस्नोटीकर वा म्हगे जावंय बरोबर म्हणटकीर तेका लागून हांव आसा तेजे बरोबर आनीक सरकार काँग्रेस पार्टी आसा म्हणटकीर तेमकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक जाय फाल्यां म्हणटकीर तेतूंत आतां बीजेपीचे लोक आहा आनीक काँग्रेस म्हणटा आयक आसा आणि राती कशी अरेंजमेंट आसा ना ती पळोवपाक रवी नायक स्वता जातीन थिंग गेल्लो वरतो कसल्या पॉलिटिकल मुवमेंट करपाक कित्याक लागून गेल्लो ना थिंगा.
Kumaraswamy left the Taj Exotica on Friday evening. But before leaving the hotel, Kumaraswamy told media to wait and watch the next 48 hours. Kumaraswamy's bombshell has put the Karnataka politics in more jinx.
You wait for up to 11.
Are you confident?
No, I am confident.
Are you getting the Congress support on this?
What?
Are you getting the Congress support on this?
No confidence vote which our chief minister will going to move on 11. In that actually we are in the opposition group, Congress and ourselves. we will togetherly vote against the confidence.
But did you also go to the former government with the Congress after that?
All the hypothetical question now I cannot reply. After 12th only you will get the answer for this question. Yeah. No. It was not necessary for me to meet any ministers. Huh?
You were also in the same property and Mr. Reddy also in the same property.
No, in the hotel anybody can stay. Anybody can stay.
Now we will just have to wait and see whether Kumar Swamy's bombshell explodes or diffuses. Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut. A less serial killer Mahanand Naik has been sentenced to 7 years rigorous imprisonment and fine of 25,000 in Shiroda rape case.
The Dupatta killer has been convicted in the Shiroda rape and blackmail case. Court on Friday sentenced him to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment, fine of rupees 25,000. If Mahanand fails to pay the fine, then his imprisonment will be extended by 2 more months. High Court Judge Nutan Sardesai pronounced the sentence.
आम्ही एक रेप केस रजिस्टर केलेले 21/4/2009 त्यात महानंदाक 7 वर्सां जेल आणि 25,000 फायन पडल्या. प्रॉपर्टी जी आहा ते प्रिजर्व करून सांगला कित्याक आनी ते दुसरे केस जाय आसतले म्हणून. ही फर्स्ट केस आमी फोंड्यापळ्यान रजिस्टर केल्ली आनी ते कन्विक्शन जालें.
25,000 rupees will be given to the victim girl as compensation. Similarly, court has ordered that attached items of Mahanand will be preserved to investigate the pending cases. This is the first case in which Mahanand is convicted. There were allegations that Mahanand has murdered 16 girls by giving them false promise of marriage. Mahanand is already acquitted in 3 murder cases. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.